No foundation look. First step, moisturizer. Second step, concealer. Dab it. One shade brighter concealer. Again dab it. Contour it. Loose powder. Blush. Highlighter. Kajal. Mascara. Lipstick. Tada, here's the look.